Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this box I got it from GoPro. I sent it for return and now we'll see. I had GoPro Hero 10 but due to some reasons I just gave it for a replacement. I am a subscriber as well. So let's see how it goes. Very good packaging, as you can see. Here it is. So here is the GoPro. As you can see, it says replacement. You can see. So I got a brand new GoPro Hero 10. Always it is fine. So this is the new GoPro, you can see. So they sent me 10. It's my same only. I got it Hero 10 Black. So I got the battery. This is the battery. And now we've done it. Yep. As you can see, so this is the GoPro, and now just the start. So I'm pretty happy with the GoPro replacement, and it took around 7 to 10 days, I guess, since I gave it for replacement, and it came pretty brand new. So I'm very happy with it. Thank you. Cheers.